So we had an accident with our kid today where she got hold of a lipstick, red lipstick, and you can see the carpet has been fully stained. So we're trying out a cleaning step and we'll be able to see how effective it is. We're basically using Fairy non-bio. So some of the packets have actually come out, so there's quite a lot of liquid inside. We're basically using that and a little bit of tissues as a drying solution. So let's see if it works in removing most of the stains. Yes, you can see there was a lot of stain all over here. And now, if you look at it, there isn't any stain at all. And any red reflection, orange reflection you're seeing is from basically the TV. So there's no stain left. I can watch for that. So the solution has worked out really, really well.